back to another episode of Fly is Bassing. You already know it's your boy Diego here. We're actually in a place that we have been at before, and this is the place where I first used the rear camera, which is this one obviously, and we're giving the place another try because we didn't do so good last time, but we figured something out. Today is November 9th of 2020, and it's 75 degrees out today, guys, up here in New Jersey. So what better day to come out and fish than today on this beautiful and wonderful day. We're gonna see if we can get a pattern. I don't know if these bass have gone deep yet. We are gonna try this canal that we tried last time. We're gonna work, like I said, this canal, this river here, and see if we can catch them or get at least a few bites. We're gonna catch you guys out on the water. Stay tuned. Got our first bass with the trout magnet. All right, so we're getting somewhere. Small little fish here. Like I said, trout magnets catch it all. You guys know that. You guys know I swear by the trout magnets. So nice little river fish, a little chunky. Look how fat he is. He's definitely starting to get chunky and getting ready for the winter. So let's keep going. Nothing, huh? That little bass must have told everybody, hey, there's somebody fishing. Watch out. If you see a trout magnet, don't eat it. No time down there. See if we can make that same cast. What the hell? Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. He took it. There you go. Another crappie. They must be over here then. He got hooked real good. Yeah, too small to eat, but still a nice fish. Oh my God, they're in here. You guys saw that turtle? Come on, take it. Oh my God, again. These crappie, man, they you really have to set the hook good. Let's just keep moving. Over here, fish over here on this side. See if they're over here too. Another crappie, let's go. Man, there's a lot of crappie over here. That's a little bit bigger one, not that big, but they're so much fun to catch though, guys. Especially on a light rod like this. So much fun. Fish on. It's a nice fish, whatever it is. Come on, swimming towards me. I think that's a bass though. Oh my God, yes it is. Yes it is. Oh, this is a nice bass. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a nice bass. Woo! Yes, baby, let's go. Trout magnet, killing it. Let's go. Yes, look at that hook set. My God. Woo, what a bass. That's a bass right there, guys. We're gonna have to measure him and weigh him. That's gotta be a pound and a half. Zeroed out. Let's see. Pound and a half. Like I said, I'm getting very good at my weights. That's a nice fish there, guys. Yes, I got a new scale. What a beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. That's what we came here for. Goodbye, little buddy. Yes, let's keep going. And I found this bobber in the water, guys, because the bobber that I had was broken and it wasn't really floating that well, so I'm excited. Thank you to whoever donated that to me. I had a couple of these exact same bobbers, but you lose them, you know, especially bank fishing. They you know, if you don't make the cast a good cast, they get, you know, you lose them easily. Fish on. Another bass, small one. Oh no, it's crappie. Nice one. Nice crappie there, guy. What a day, what a day. Cast. Fish on. Oh my God, that's a bass. Nice bass. Oh yes, another nice bass, guys. Oh my God, that's a bigger bass. Guys, what the hell is going on today? Oh my God, it just came out too. This is why you need to keep tension on the rod. Oh my God, let's go. Yes. Oh my God. What a bass. One point eight ounces. Nice bass. Oh my God. Nice bass, guys. Beautiful, beautiful bass. Look how fat that sucker is. She's ready. Stop biting me. Yes! Yes, baby! Trout magnet. Who would have thought I would be catching bass like this? go. Another crab. He came for it. As I was reeling it in, he came for it. I think there's crappie over here, guys. Just had something take it before. We got a fish. Oh, another sunny. Nice fish. Fish on. Another bluegill. Nice fish, pretty colors. It's like a little pumpkin seed almost. There it is, fish on. I knew it was bluegill, I knew it. Because he kept missing it. It felt good, this one. Felt like a crappie for a second there. Fish on. Bluegill. Bluegill. About time. It's been a while. These colors. Alright guys. We are back home. It was a long but fun fishing day. A little recap, obviously the day the trout magnet, we stuck with it because it was doing really good. Usually rivers like that or canals usually hold smaller fish. It does hold big fish as well, but for the most part it's gonna hold smaller fish. So you're gonna see a lot of those sunnies, those panfish that you saw, the sunnies, the crappies, all those fish that you guys saw today, that's what was there. So obviously occasionally we would see a couple of bass too. As you guys saw, I caught those 2 nice bass and it was a fun day. Those canals, the reason why I stuck with the trout magnet is because they're looking for really small food. They're not looking for anything humongous. So a lot of the times you're gonna get better strikes with smaller presentation. Last time I was there, it was the Ned rig, which is a small presentation. This time it was a trout magnet and I stuck with it. I just really wanted to catch as many fish as I could, and it was a lot of fun on those light rods. So just wanted to give a little recap, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I want to give a huge shout out to Mad Mask. My boy Miguel made this for me, and if you guys are looking for anything custom, hoodies, t-shirts, whatever it is, hit up Mad Mask. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can go check them out and let them know Fly's Bassing sent you. So again, thank you again, and I hope that you guys enjoy that, and I'll catch you on the next episode.